Hi lovelies, Happy New Year's Eve. It's almost Happy New Year's. I don't know what time it is where you are, but we're about 4 hours away from the new year. So I wanted to just bring you an OOTD Holiday style video. I hope you guys do remember these pants. I don't think you've ever seen this sweater because it's a new sweater. I was supposed to wear it on Christmas, but I just was like not in the mood to get dressed at all. So me and my kids, we always do like a little New Year's Eve family party where we dance and be happy, and thank God for another year and stuff. We try to do like a little TikTok party over on TikTok, and then we bring you guys some stuff too. So it just makes us happy to bring you guys things that make us happy, so to speak. So anyway, let's get into this sweater. The sweater came from DD's discount. I love it. So it's made just like this. And then I have on a black t-shirt underneath here. This t-shirt I actually made some years ago when I had my t-shirt shop that I was designing t-shirts for and stuff, but I got out of that. Hopefully in the new year I'm going to try to bring it back. Underneath the shirt says haters buy, but I'm not showing it because it took me a long time to find a pin and pin this up because it has no buttons. So I had to pin the sweater up and all like that. And then these pants, you guys should remember it in the thrift haul that I did. And these are these cute little Fashion Nova sparkly boots because it is New Year's Eve. And we wanted to be cute and festive. So make sure that you guys are writing down your plans for the new year. Make sure that you are, doing the things that you take care of yourself with. Like self-care is so important. Love on yourself, love on others. Life is so short. Don't take anything for granted. Like for real, nothing for granted. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye. Hey lovelies, it's Frederica, and I'm back with another OOTD Holiday Edition. Here's my handsome son, and he's going to show you what he got on today. He's wearing some aviator sunglasses. He's wearing his white t-shirt and this cute bomber jacket that says Championship 1930 to 2023. Turn around in the back, son, so they can see the details. It says, energy, level up your journey. 01, that's perfect for the new year. Turn back around to the front, son, so they can see you. Then he has on all this other cute details right here. On his jacket, he has on these cute jeans and these New Balance shoes that he has not worn yet because I don't like to wear shoes that's from outside inside my house. So any shoes that we have on in these videos are most definitely shoes that we haven't worn yet, guys, for the most part. Or we worn them one time or whatever, and I wipe them off if they get real dirty. But anyway, here's the OOTD, and we want to say Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Hi lovelies, it's Frederica, and I'm back with another OOTD Holiday Edition. Happy New Year! This is my beautiful daughter next, who's doing her OOTD Holiday style video. Today she's wearing this beautiful necklace from Kohl's. She has this gorgeous evening dress on. Show them a little spin, cutesy cutesy, and then she's doing these cute little Karl Lagerfeld, get into it, details, sneakers that she's rocking with this. And she has on her beautiful accessories, her little pretty bracelet. I think that was also from Kohl's. And yes, that's the OOTD Holiday style video. And we just want to say Happy New Year. Bye.